The Agency Management tab is very useful to agency principals and admins. You can get there in your agent portal account by just clicking on the Agency Management tab, and then you'll be brought to the main page where you'll be able to see your agency plus any downline agencies that are under your agency. So you can go to your agency and you'll see there are two options. We have Dashboard and then Settings/Invites. If you go into the dashboard, you'll be able to see each agent that is in your agency or in that agency. You can look here, and then if you need to view the agent, you can click view right here, and then that will open their account. And so you can see your downline agents accounts from their point of view. And then if you need to check their appointments, you can go into their appointments tab to see the appointments and their statuses. You'll be able to request new appointments as well for them if you need. And you can also go and look at their commissions, their agent info. You can add action items for them as well if you'd like. So that's how you can check on your downline. Then if you go back to the dashboard, you can go to your settings and invites page, and this allows you to manage the settings for sending invites to downline agents. So up top here, you can do the form preferences. This is how you decide whether to show or hide different products from them. So right now, if we do our settings like this, downline agents will only see options for ACA carriers. They won't see any other kinds. On this page too, you can also add your agency's Health Sherpa join code, and that allows the emails that will be sent to your downline to be populated with your Health Sherpa agency join code so they can go ahead and join right up from there. Then at the bottom here, we have just other agency information that you can edit. If you need to change that, you can click the edit button right here to modify that. And then right here in the middle, we have the options for sending the onboarding emails to your downline. Two main options here. You can opt to have the emails go to yourself, or you can put in your downline agent's emails in here. So if you want to do that, just type in and then click enter, and then it will have that. You can type in as many as you want, and then you can send them directly to them. The only other thing you'll want to check is just this option right here. You have the option to send onboarding for just a regular downline agent, or if they are going to be the admin of a downline agency, you'll want to select this, and that will allow them to create their own agency below you, and then they will have admin privileges as well. So if you do not want them to have admin privileges or to start a downline agency, just make sure you have that selected as the downline agent, which is the default. And then once you click send email, that will send out the onboarding form to all of the agents.